Hello everyone. Today we are going to perform an experiment, that is reflection of light through glass slab. What all we need are wooden board, A4 size sheet, glass slab, pencil, eraser, scale, protector and pins. Now let's start the experiment. Fix the A4 sheet on wooden board so that paper does not move. Place glass slab at center. Make the outline. Now remove the glass slab. Draw normal and make an angle of 30 degrees. This is the normal. N dash is a normal. Let's make an angle of 30 degrees. You may take the angle as say 45, 40 degrees, 50, 55, 60 or whatever. So here we mark, this is 0 degree, 10, 20 and say let it be your 30 degrees. Now join the line. Here AB is an incident ray. This angle is 30 degrees. So here angle I is 30 degrees. Clear? Now what you have to do is, now place the glass slab back to the same position as it was earlier. Now fix 2 pins anywhere on the incident ray. This is first pin we have placed. This is a second pin. We fix it this way. Now try to see the image of the pin from the opposite side, from this side. Keeping one eye closed, see the images of these 2 pins. Now take 2 more pins and one eye closed. Try to fix other 2 pins on the other side in such a way that all these pins come in a straight line. This I try to fix. I can see the image of the pins on the other side this way, and I will fix one more pin in such a way that all these 4 are in the straight line like this. Now I can see all these 4 pins in a straight line. Now what I have to do is remove both the pins and just mark it. Again remove the glass slab. Join these 2 points this way. Now this particular ray is your emergent ray. Join again these 2 points. Can you see the path? This is rarer medium, that is air. This is glass, that is denser medium. Again the ray going back to the same medium, that is air. AB is an incident ray, BC is a refracted ray and CD is emergent ray. Just draw the normal at point C. Say M dash is a normal on the other face of the glass slab. Now remove the pins. Here you can see the ray diagram. This is an incident ray coming from the rarer medium going to denser. It bends towards the normal. Here you can see it bends towards the normal. Again the ray is coming from denser going to the rarer medium. It goes away from the normal. Can you see this refracted path? This is a deviated path. Now what you have to do is, now glass slab is not there, denser medium is not there. What all you have to do is just extend this incident ray. Here you can see. Now just extend this particular ray. Here the ray goes undeviated because there is no glass slab over there. This is incident ray. This is refracted ray, and this is your emergent ray. Here you can see this emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray when it goes undeviated. But now this ray deviates because of the presence of the glass slab, that is the denser medium. Got it? If I keep it here, you can see the image. Can you see the refracted ray? It deviates from its path. Got it? Now, by how much distance it deviates from its path? Draw a perpendicular. This is a perpendicular distance between these two rays, emergent ray and incident ray. Even we can measure this distance also. This is of 1 centimeter. So this particular distance is said to be what? Lateral displacement. Here it is coming nearly equal to 1 centimeter. Here you can see, you can check it also. It is nearly equal to 1 centimeter. So by this much distance the ray deviates from its path. Now even we can measure the angle of emergence also, or angle of refraction also. Keep the protector here. Here you can see the refracted angle. You can measure the refracted angle. Got it? Then even you can measure the emergent ray also. Keep the protector here. Here you can see the angle of emergence is also coming 30 degree. So here the angle of emergence is 30 degree. Here you can measure the angle of refraction also. This way. Here the angle of refraction is coming near about 21 degree. So this angle is 21 degree. Again you can see around 21 degree. So here angle I is 30 degree, angle R is 20 degree, and here angle of emergence is 30 degree. So we all have studied that angle I, that is angle of incidence, is equal to angle of emergence. This we have already proved in this particular experiment. So this is all about the refraction of light through glass slab. Thank you, class.